Hello guys, in this video we will see why your Roblox game sounds glitchy lighty and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step but identifying the source of the problem. Content determine whether the glitch is isolated to your device or experienced by other players. If only you experience lag and glitchy sounds, the issue likely stems from your computer's performance or internet connection. Check your Q and RAM usage. During gameplay, high usage indicates insufficient processing power, poor internet connection, particularly high latency. Ping will also cause audio delays and glitches if multiple players report issues. The problem may lie within the game's code or Roblox servers.
Step optimizing your computer's performance. Content close unnecessary programs running in the background to free up system resources. Roblox is a resource-intensive game, so background processes like video editors or streaming software can significantly impact its performance. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can cause audio and visual glitches. Consider lowering your in-game graphics settings. Reducing visual fidelity often improves performance and reduces strain on your computer's sound processing capabilities. Step at checking your internet connection. Content test your internet speed using an online speed test. Low download and upload speeds, especially high latency, can directly affect the quality of your Roblox experience. Restart your router and modem to resolve temporary network hiccups. Consider connecting your computer directly to your router via an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection than Wi-Fi, which can be prone to interference if other devices on your network are using significant bandwidth. Limiting their activity might improve your game's performance.
Step investigating Roblox server status. Content check the official Roblox website or social media for announcements of server outages or maintenance. Roblox server issues can cause widespread lag and audio glitches that are outside of your control. If Roblox servers are experiencing problems, there's little you can do except wait for them to be resolved. Look for community reports to determine if the problem is specific to the game you are playing or more widespread. Steps troubleshooting game-specific settings. Content examine the game's audio settings. Lowering the sound quality or disabling certain sound effects might alleviate the problem. Check for any in-game settings that control sound processing or distance. If the game utilizes plugins or external scripts, try disabling them temporarily to see if they are the source of the issue. If the issue persists after trying all other steps, contact the game's developer for assistance, providing them with detailed information about the problem and your system specifications.